Okay, so imagine you're chilling somewhere in southern Spain, sipping a cold drink, and the view is just this. These gorgeous blue lagoons, palm trees, and birds everywhere. Not gonna lie, it's like a nature influencer's dream, right? But then, plot twist, these lagoons like Mar Menor and Doñana are in trouble. See, local farms are growing boatloads of fruits and veggies, especially for export. Like a massive chunk goes to Germany. To get all those strawberries and tomatoes out fast, the farms use tons of water, sometimes way more than they're supposed to, heaps of fertilizer, and, not gonna sugarcoat it, they kinda bulldoze entire natural areas to make way for greenhouses. Here's the kicker. When it rains, all those fertilizers just slip into the lagoons. Suddenly, the water turns weird, algae go wild, and boom! Fish and seahorses can't breathe. Honestly, it's heartbreaking. You see those beautiful birds and rare critters, they start disappearing. And if you keep watching, entire lagoons dry up, soils get tired, you get gross water that's barely safe for swimming, or growing food, to be honest. By now, you're probably thinking, yikes, is anyone doing anything about it? Well, here's the dramatic turnaround. There actually is hope. A lot of folks are pitching in to plant native plants along the shores again. Set up chill-out zones for nature to bounce back, and some shops are even pushing for cleaner organic farming. And okay, I gotta spill. This is where Farmonaut comes in. We use AI and satellites. Yep, literal space tech, to help farmers see exactly what their fields need. Like, we track crop health from space, tell you if your plants are thirsty, stressed, or missing nutrients, so you don't waste water or dump extra chemicals. It's all super easy, even on your phone, and you can basically watch your farm go eco-friendly in real time. So, next time you buy Spanish fruit or veggies, just remember, with the right tools, tech, and some heart, everyone, even you, can help these lagoons stay awesome for generations. And honestly, that's kind of epic.